Hello. Now we are going to the tip number 2 on don't forward embrace.
Yes.
So we are going to talk about this. I don't know if you recognize this.
Yes.
We get into the embrace. He's very gentle, very elegant, and the ladies go like,
boom.
Hand is here, very heavy. So your left hand on his shoulder, plus you are putting all your weight on this hand. What do you feel when the followers does that?
I feel very tired dancing. Yeah, it feels like a very, very heavy here, very heavy weight. Yes, even if she's super light, she's super skinny, whatever, the hand here is bad for the leader. Yes, it's sometimes we feel that she depends, her access, her balance depends too much on us. So sometimes we can have different figures that we need her to be in balance, and if she's hanging there, chances are that the figure won't work.
Yes, that's a very good point, because there is figures where we have to be on our own axis, and if I depend on his legs, if I put all the weight here, means I'm not controlling my own legs. I'm expecting him to move my legs, to keep me on axis, to move me from right to left. And this is not the case. We are following lead, we are following the music.
Yes.
We are together working on a tempo with the music, but I have to have control of my own moves.
Yes.
To share the dance with him. So he's not going to be carrying me on through the dance floor.
It's not the point in tango.
Yeah, we are sharing, but I'm not putting all my body on his legs.
Yeah.
That's the mentality. I put my body on his legs. I'm not using my legs. You drag me on the floor. Okay? So, and also because of our aesthetic, our elegance is having the shoulders back. If you don't like the shoulders back much, at least you can have a nice embrace. Your hand is on his back. Sometimes we have to move the hand from one side to the other, like you saw in other videos when we were talking about the embrace. So if my hand is here, how do I move from close embrace to open embrace?
Yes.
It's no way. So it's under his control, it's under my control, it's all in the wrong position.
Yes.
Right? So that's mainly the point, not to be heavy on the leader's back, body, and keeping your own elegance, keep your freedom so you can get fast footwork.
And one thing that the way that I learned in the very, very beginning, at the very beginning, I've seen teachers teaching that the proper position is here for the follower. Yes. So later in time, you discover that it's not convenient.
Yeah. Sometimes, we are not perfect. We teach things that we think they are correct, and then we learn later with the time. So through the years, we learn how is the position that it makes us feel lighter, connect, elegant, be able to do faster or slow moves without depending on the other person, but sharing with the other person. So I think that's all for today.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
Yes, please keep that. Don't put weight there, followers, and keep your own access.
See you on the next video. We have more tips. Bye.